Here we are in one of our exploration stations. Exploration stations are a great thing to do with your pre-primary kids. We have about a 40-minute teaching time, and for our pre-primaries, they'll do 20 minutes in a teaching room, and then they'll do 20 minutes of active learning with play in our exploration station. I highly recommend that for your pre-primary, and toddlers do this as well at our church. And so we create a area where they can do this guided play. It's all part of your pre-primary and toddler teaching manual. These ideas of what they can do to reinforce the lesson that they have been taught. And we create a fun environment for them. Here we have a lot of things hanging from the ceiling, from our paper vines to things that we were able to purchase online to just bring in that jungle feel, from butterflies to parrots and toucans and things like that. You'll see over here that we have one of our huts that we have, and so this is a little play place for the kids. They can go in and out of the hut, and we can have a different activity actually inside the hut every day for them to do. Maybe it'll be a dress-up activity or an active play type activity. We made some of these boats in here. These are the same boats that we created in our teaching rooms. We made these for our exploration stations as well, made out of paneling. On both sides, you can check out our classroom video to see how I made these boats. But this provides a fun little play area, and you can see here that the kids were doing dress up in this area, but also having an activity with the dolls in here as well. We always have a coloring table inside, and then we also have an activity table for the kids. This will either be a water table or a sand table, depending on what the activity of that day is. Today it's set up as a water table, and the kids will be working through that learning activity. So we have 4 different stations inside each exploration station for this active learning play. Check out your teacher guide and pick the ones that work best for you.